Here's how the future should and will look like for the Uyghurs. The oppression will end. The 3 million innocent Uyghurs in concentration camps will be released. The innocent children in residential schools will be sent home back to their parents. And the people of East Turkestan will no longer be living under the Communist Chinese Party's regime. And as Uyghurs in the diaspora will be rushing to get back home, it costs approximately $5,500 for one person to travel, so I assume that the Chinese government will be paying as a small apology for the 71 years of oppression. Here's how I imagine the plane ride. It's pure joyous. Us Uyghurs haven't had an excuse to be together for happy reasons in so long that this day is phenomenal. Of course, we section the plane, the adult side and the kid side. The adult side is pure endless sobbing and hugging, storytelling, recalling of memories. Kind of like a funeral, but nobody died, just the rebirth of our freedom. The kids side, the kids don't really understand what's happening, so we explain to them because this day is a day that will be written down in history. This day will not be forgotten, just like those who spoke up for us will not be forgotten. Our voices have finally been heard. So, did Xi Jinping die? Is the first question we get from a little one because the thought of having freedom under the dictatorship seemed impossible. It's not impossible. Please do not forget this. The rest of the plane goes with no fights. It's just memories. We listen to our music, remembering and listening and holding on to every word, meanings, every lyric, every tune. Ladies and gentlemen, the flight has landed. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at home. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Urumqi. For so many, this seemed impossible because their activism was deemed as terrorism. Remind you that we fought our fight and we will win. We have won.